Good afternoon, B3L. It's RoatsDB. Wanted to get another one of these daily updates in video format out to you guys. Just a quick recap of what's going on over the weekend. Again, volumes were down over Saturday, pretty low. A lot of the attention again has remained in the meme coin space, and obviously we know the big ones in Pepe and Turbo and the activity that's gone on there. And in fact, I'll probably discuss them a little bit later on as we go. We see gas fees per transaction, and this is done hourly, just so we can kind of get a look at what the pulse is on gas fees. Really heavy over the last several days here. Sorry, the next one's done hourly. This one's daily, and as high as 0.025, which is well beyond anything that we've even seen really outside of the other side launch and going back all the way through to maybe late 2021 that we saw gas in this range, maybe early January, but extreme prices in the gas side of things. And here we look at it hourly, and we just see actually a recent spike in the last hour on the gas fees as well. And of course, those really make it prohibitive to trade NFTs when you're spending such a large portion in gas fees. I wanted to take a look here at daily unique buyers. The weekend, we bottomed out in the like 4,000-ish range, the lowest that we've seen, and then a bit of a rebound here. Friday, Saturday, and a rebound here on Sunday. Hopefully, we can continue that upward trend here as attention kind of balances out from meme activity. And then looking at blue chip index, down a bit here since the launch of Blend. We're probably going to continue to see some of this bleed out here on NFTs and volume, etc. Again, until we see some normalization in what's going on in meme coin as it is right now. Wanted to look at a collection here as well. We're looking at Killer Bears. Killer Bears has actually fallen pretty significantly, which I found interesting and surprising. With them. Now they did recently launch Killer Clubs, so that can often help prop up a floor. Maybe there's a little bit of exit activity going on in the attention towards meme activity. We've seen a lot of apes and even some mutants publicly sell off to ape fully into something like Pepe. And then the Killer Cubs or Killer Bears community is kind of smallish. Driven by a few whale activities and things like that can make fluctuations and moves a little bit more dramatic than what you may see in other collections. So one to watch. And here you can see the floor price. So a swing from 2.5 ETH all the way down below 2 ETH. Really kind of a level that we haven't seen since November. So interesting to see that. And then I wanted to take a look at a longer time horizons here. So what we have for 7-day, 14-day, and 30-day across major collections, and you can see here averaging on the weekly we're down really in that about 5, 6, 7, 8% range. On the 14-day we see a few collections that have performed all right, and then a little bit on the downside. So a lot of that downward pressure here has been over the last week or so. And then if we look back on a 30-day time horizon, we're also down from some of the momentum we had or some of the, I don't know, I can say momentum, but where we were in April levels. So that is our update. Again, we're looking at, and I don't know if I can easily switch over here. I wanted to take a look at just zooming out on the window for crypto and where things are at. Of course, my technical analysis background is not as significant as some of the members in the B3L Discord, so I don't make active calls when it comes to looking at crypto overall. But one thing that I paid attention to and made a note of it and tweeted it out is looking at zooming out. And so if you look at Pepe on the daily, I found this quite interesting. So I like to use TD combo. What happens there is it's kind of a bit of a momentum measure for me. And once you get up 9 candles that are kind of trending positive in a duration, you can look for potential for a sell signal there. And so I saw that sell signal on the 9th and the last kind of big pump, and then so a bit of hesitation there. tweeted out here on the following day that things are not looking strong. And really, what you have to do to recorrect that and get a down candle is to have basically be below 4 candles prior, right? So we're probably looking at another day or so in downward pressure before looking up. And of course, you want to see that consolidation, etc. So it's not an overall bad thing, but it's important to look and zoom out, because you can look at the weekly and the 4 hour or the hour, and they can look strong or look optimistic compared to what's happened in the past. But there's longer time horizons at play often. So just my brief bit of technical analysis that I wanted to share with everyone. So we'll catch you guys later, and have a good day.